What's up guys, it's Junior aka Semi here bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you guys go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notifications so you can get notified every time we drop great videos like this one whenever we go live. Because why? Because you don't want to miss out anything we do on here guys. That's the reason why. And today's another great video. As you guys know, today is Wednesday. So what that is? Wednesday websites. So today I got a great website that works for everything. I mean everybody that I could think of. This will work for. It's the one right behind me right now. I know right now all you can see is the blue screen with like a white on the bottom. You can't really tell what it is. But so let me go ahead and shrink myself down so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And we can go over the website. So this is a website right here called ManualsLib, basically Manual's library. If you're ever missing a manual for anything, whether it be a car thing, whether it be a computer thing, whether it be a remote thing, a TV thing, anything guys, you should be able to find it on here. If you can't find it and you have one on file, you can even upload it on here if you want. But this has all the manuals you could think of that'll be on here. It has a lot guys. I've mess around with it quite a bit to try to see what I can and cannot find. So far I haven't been able to find nothing that I'm not able to search for on here. It has everything. When I say guys, it has a lot of stuff. So you're gonna go to ManualsLib.com. so ManualsLib.com. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can get it. But this is the website. It's very simple. Looks like if you have Android, it has an Android app available, not an iPhone. So unfortunately, I'm out of luck for that part. But it's very simple. As you look at the everything is very simple on how they have it displayed here, which is free, so it's a good thing. And down here, to give you a little bit of information, it tells you they have over 6 million products, 6.5 million products plus. They have over 9 million PDF manuals here, 139,171 brands, and over 3.2 terabytes of data in here. And it's gonna keep growing while people add new manuals and everything like that. Very simple. So I like this website because when I was looking for something, I was able to use this website. So you guys know I have a Honda S2000. If I want to find manuals on Honda S2000, let's look for it real quick. I'm gonna type in Honda S2000 and we're gonna go here, search it. I'm gonna hit search here and give it a minute for it to bring up, and it'll bring you every manual they have available on here. You got the Onion manual here, which is 234 pages. You got the JL audio step back for the Honda S2000 there. You got a bunch of stuff here guys, a bunch of people that uploaded. So I'm gonna click on one of these manuals. I'm gonna click on the big one right here, the 2004 Honda S2000. I'm a 2003. Let's see. I know they have a 2003 because I did have one right here. Right here, I have a 2003 Honda S2000 Onions manual, 271 pages. So once you come in here, guys, it has all the pages right here, so you can check out all pages here. And it's like if they actually had the actual manual in your hands and you actually look at it. Now, you have a couple options you can go through on the website here. You have chapters right here that you can go through. So I want to look at for keys and locks. But click on that. It's going to take me to the keys and locks section, which is page 59. And boom, I could go, or 58 on this case here. But I could go here and just do what I want to do regarding this. You could go through all this here. Now, if you want to search for something inside the manual that you want to look for specifically, search the search and table contents right here. Click on here and then I'll say battery. I'm just going to click any random thing here. I click on battery, hit search. And I might not have anything for batteries here. Okay, let me see. Wheels. Okay, so here it has control near the steering wheel. So it might not have every single word in there, but you just gotta, if you know what you're looking for, you know what you're searching, you should be able to find here. So here you go. As soon as I searched it, it found it in my area and it took me here to the page that I needed, which is awesome. Now, that's for cars. Let's check something else. I have an Asus motherboard. Let's see. I didn't check this one yet, so let's see if this one has it. Asus Z790 Hero. I have the dark Hero, but I'm gonna see if they have. So they look at it. They have a lot of stuff here. You can search through it, see if they find your manual. This is computer, cards and computer, two different things, guys. But you find the one here. I know I typed in dark Hero. They might not have the dark Hero one, but if I have one and I want to upload it, I could just upload it myself and add it to their collection. So let's take a look at the 70 Gaming Wi-Fi 7 manual, just 70 pages, just to look at it. And then you could go here and just go through all of it and look and check it out yourself, guys. Simple as that. Let's go back to the main page here. I want to see the dim slot installations. Boom. It tells me everything I need to know here. That's just for something like that. Now, let me go ahead and search on a Samsung TV. Samsung Arc. I'm gonna do the manual for this monitor that I'm using right now. The one I have, the Samsung Arc. Oh, I spelled Samsung wrong. Okay, let's see if it finds it for me. I'm gonna do the Arc. Okay, there you go. It has the Arc. It should be, yeah, it's this one. They have the Arc here, which I already have the manual, but if I don't want to pull my manual out of my box or have it in the garage, I could just grab it here and then use it here. Simple as that, guys. Like I said, there's tons and tons and tons of stuff that you can do here. Now, you can log in. It's completely free, and you can load up whatever you want here. Now, once you sign in, you have these options available. You could download the package. You could download this whole manual. So if I hit click on download, I can download the whole 42 pages and everything. So I just get manual. It's gonna tell me to do robot. So get the manual. Save to your collection. Okay, so it tells me to sign in. I'm not gonna do that right now. But yeah, you could download it, everything, and download it to your section, and you could download it to your computer and use it offline. I'm pretty sure you can. Download PDF right here. Look, download PDF, and it's gonna open up a new browser. It's gonna bring up the manual. Boom! Look, the manual just downloaded right here. You can see it download PDF format and everything. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. If I open it, yeah, there you go. You can see it. It opened a PDF inside my browser, so I have the whole PDF offline, so I can just review it offline here. Look how cool that is, guys. Very, very simple. Let me go back. You have other options here. You can do table of contents from there. Add to my manual. So if you have an online profile, you can add this to your profile, so you can go back to it anytime you want, which is awesome. You can share it, bookmark this page, or you can even print the whole thing. I don't know if you're gonna print. Or how many pages was this? 42 pages for this one, or the 270 pages for the Honda S2000 book. But there you guys go. So this is a great website, guys, to get all your manual needs. If you need a manual, you're missing a manual, you want to get it, try this website. You might be able to find it on here than searching for one online or finding the one in your box. Simple as that. But that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you today. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit that subscribe button and bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out anything. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.